Morning Shen Stars. How are you all? Welcome to the class of Business Studies. Today we are going to continue chapter 7. We were discussing about motivation. In this video we are going to discuss about the process of motivation. So let's start with this video. Let's discuss about the process of motivation. Motivation process is based on human needs. So, if we talk about the process of motivation, it begins with an unsatisfied need. Unsatisfied need is the first step for creation of a motive. Motivation process begins when person feels the need of something or there is an unsatisfied need. Second is tension. Lack of something will give tension to the person and it will create a drive. Third is drive. Drive refers to some sort of stimulant in the mind of person concerned. At this level, person starts searching various alternatives to satisfy the drive. And fourth step is search behavior. After searching for different alternatives, person puts the best alternative into operation. Then comes the satisfaction of the need. At this step, person feels satisfied if the chosen alternative happens to be the correct one. And the last is reduction of tension. Once the need is satisfied, the tension which was there in the mind of the person, that will reduce. For example, I did not have my breakfast in the morning. So by 3 p.m. I'll feel hungry. I'll start searching for food, and after walking for some time I'll find a restaurant where I can have a good meal to satisfy my tummy. And then no longer I'll feel stressed, and therefore I'll be reviewing my action plans for rest of the day on calm basis. So unsatisfied need is the first step of motivation, and satisfied need is the last step to motivation. So this was all about the process of motivation. In our next video, we will discuss about Maslow's need hierarchy theory. If you have any doubt, you can discuss in the AIS or you can post me on Google Class. Thank you, Shen Stars. Take care all of you.